Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Let me introduce to you this morning. He is the product specialist of Microsoft WSI, Mr. Jun Diala, to discuss productivity suite Microsoft Security.
Okay, so let's start.
Whoa. Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop. Stand still, that's the motto. Yeah, brand new plans for the auto. Oh, foot to the ground, full throttle. Big energy for the night like lotto. Y'all talk lots, never this quiet. Life like a Seinfeld plot. Vault full of songs, all of them bombs. Something like a minefield guy. Boom. Get it, tickets running out quick. Bet it, never get it outbid. Said it, never had to shout it. They said I couldn't ever do it, okay, how's this? Fit a week worth of work in a minute. Machine well oiled, you know how I stay efficient. To-do list written, I do this different. Hold up, wait a minute, I ain't finished. Okay. Look, flows the same now. Paved the way to snakes and fakes are chased out. Back to back to back, I changed the pace now. Had to stack the cash until the bank's out. Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop.
Okay, so Microsoft Copilot sets you free for repetitive tasks. So what we can have is to apply yung mismong Copilot. Shared by this user, accessed by this user. So may mga ganong scenario and relationship. So this document one is located in a SharePoint. Yan.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay na po? Okay na lahat? One more time pa pala. Sorry. Okay, again. Smile everybody. 1, 2, 3. Okay na. And that's all for today. Thank you for participating in this event, Unlocking Microsoft 365 Copilot and Security Innovations. I hope your knowledge has been expanded. If you have additional questions, you may contact us by email or telephone. We are happy to provide additional support.